My name is Walter Williams. I am president of PPT Inspections. I am cordially inviting you to this event, Revitalizing Futures, by doing 203K loans. This event is going to be held on July 15th, 2023 at 20021 Grand River Avenue. The place is our gathering place, and it's on the corner of Grand River and Evergreen. I'm inviting the public to learn more about this wonderful product. That if you are looking for a home and you're looking to get that home remodeled, this event is for you. We're going to have contractors, we're going to have lenders, we're going to have realtors, we're going to have home buyers at this free event. And this event is designed to learn more about this wonderful product called 203K. Now, this event is for 2 hours. It starts at 10 o'clock and it finishes at noon. So for a couple of hours, you have an opportunity to make your house a home. So please, I encourage you to please come to this event. I guarantee you that by the time you walk out of this event, that you're going to learn more about this wonderful product than you have going in. So I'm inviting each and every one of you to please attend this event next Saturday, July 15th, starting at 10 a.m. Thank you.